In this video, I will show you how to use the if function in Excel to populate a value based on a condition. First, make sure that the cell that you're trying to populate has the general data type selected. Select the cell and in the formula bar, type equals and if, and an open bracket. Then, type the condition as the first value. In this case, I will check if the priority is high. So I select the priority cell, type an equals, and then use quotation marks around high. Then type a comma. The first value in the if condition will be the true statement. So if the priority is high, what will happen? In this case, I want the urgent to be yes, so I will type yes in quotation marks. Then type a comma again. The second value will be the false statement, so what will happen if the priority is not high? In this case, I will type no in quotation marks. Then I will close the if statement with a closing bracket and press enter. I can now see that when the priority is high, urgent is populated as yes, and when the priority is not high, it's populated as no. And that's it. That's how you use the if statement in Excel.